Hey, what's going on? Rakeem Madison here, and on today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to verify your YouTube account in 2018 and beyond. Now, if this is your first time here, go ahead and smash that subscribe button if you want to learn how to build a long, sustainable business that will eventually give you the freedom you deserve. Also, tick that bell icon so anytime that I release any new videos, you get them. So with that being said, we're going to jump right into it. Now guys, this isn't going to take long at all, so just follow along as I do it. So hopefully you're logged into your YouTube account. Now what you want to do is you want to click up here, right? So you see where your actual picture, or if it looks like this. Now this isn't my actual YouTube channel. This is another channel I decided to create for some other things. All right. So I'm going to go right here. Once you want to click that, and it's going to drop down. Now what you're going to do, you see where it says Creator Studio. You're going to click on that. All right, now it's going to bring you up here. You see it says you must create a channel to upload videos. So that shows you that I haven't yet turned this into a channel. Once I hit this, I will turn this into a channel. Now what you want to go to is you want to go to channel. You see this right here? Click on that, and then you see this right here under the email, it says verify. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and click verify, right? All right, and then if that's the name that you want on your account, then that's the name that you pick, right? So boom, we're gonna hit create channel. It's going through the process of creating a channel. All right, so at this point, let's go back over here to the where it says let's go to the Creator Studio, and then we're gonna go back to where it says channel, right? And then we're gonna see if it verifies. So let's go ahead and hit this once more. All right, so now you hit it once to do that if you haven't yet created your channel, but if you have, then it'll bring you directly here. Okay, so you're going to verify where you are. So I'm in the United States, and then you can either do call me with an automated voice message or text me the verification code. Now for time purposes, I'm just going to go ahead and do the text me with the verification code. All right, so I'm going to put in my number. All right, and then I'm going to hit submit. All right, so what it's doing now is it's probably just sent me a message. Let me actually check my phone just to see if the message actually came through. Okay, boom. You probably can't see it, but the message was just sent to me. So I'm going to enter the code that's in my the verification code that they sent me. All right, 942 981. All right, and then I'm going to hit submit. All right, so as you can see, guys, we are done already, guys. Congratulations, your YouTube account is now verified. Now let me show you what that gives you access to. So you see all of these different things here. The only one you're probably not going to get access to right now is the sponsorship. Now, since that's your account is verified, you're going to get access to uploading videos. I want to say it's up to 15 minutes long. Also, you're going to be able to monetize your channel, but due to the YouTube partnership changes, if you don't have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, then you're not going to be able to monetize. All right. You're also going to get access to now be able to live stream, not embedding live streams. Longer videos, which is what I was talking about. You can now upload videos longer than 15 minutes. Being able to, well, I think you already had access to unlisted and private videos, but this one is important, right? Because thumbnails are important, and I'll be doing a video on thumbnails here soon. Now you're going to be able, this is now enabled so you can upload your own custom thumbnail, which is powerful because, you know, when you upload a video, if you've already uploaded videos, and you don't have access to this, it's just going to show you certain snapshots of the video, which looks pretty bad. And of course, if you're just getting started, I started with that myself, but it's always great to have custom thumbnails, which is going to be attractive to the eye of the people looking for your videos. All right, and then external notifications, you'll have access to that. You won't have access to this until you get at least 1,000 subscribers. If we actually go to my channel, I actually have access to every single one of these except for the sponsorships, because at the current time, YouTube is only giving that to gaming channels. But I heard just recently with a new update, they're going to be trying to push it out to like regular channels to see how that works out. All right, and then you'll also get access to a custom URL. What? Let me actually check that. You're ineligible for a custom URL. See eligibility requirements. So you may not have that just yet. You may have to reach a certain amount of subscribers to get that. All right. And then it'll also let you appeal rejected content ID disputes, right? So anything you want to appeal on, like any disputes that you may get in the future, you're able to do that. All because you verified your account. So it didn't take that long, guys. And with that being said, if you got some value from this and this helped you to do it, to be able to do this in a easier way, and also an updated way, because you're probably looking at older videos that showed you how to do it, but YouTube looked it different at the time. All right, so with that being said, if you got value from this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe, tick that bell icon, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video, my friend. Peace.